Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This lovely, newly built 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the quiet community of Willowdene Estates, St. Catherine, is now available for sale. The home is situated on a corner lot and is fitted with a 2-car garage, a large master bedroom with ensuite, living and dining area, 2 secondary bedrooms with a shared bathroom, complete with modern tray ceilings. It is 2 minutes from the Old Arbor Main Road that has several commercial centers, restaurants, schools, and ease of transportation, and is located just 2 minutes away from the Spanish Town bypass. The home is still under construction and will be completed by April 2023. The land area of this house is approximately 4,898 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.